Right, good evening. You're watching the explosive weekend debate. I'm Akanksha Swaroop. On International Women's Day, Prime Minister Modi said the nation is celebrating women's achievements, Nari Shakti, but expressed concerns over an incident yesterday. This when President Draupadi Murmu, who belongs to the Santhal community, was allegedly insulted by the West Bengal government. Prime Minister Modi said the remarks also hurt the Santhal community. Prime Minister said that TMC's arrogance will be shattered during elections. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has hit back at Prime Minister Modi, saying he only remembers the state during elections. So, in a poll-bound state of West Bengal, controversies are galore, and TMC MP Mahua Moitro has sparked a row herself, claiming that those who are anti-TMC cannot be even called Bengali. Will these flashpoints now decide Bengal's fate just ahead of the assembly election in 2026? That's a question we'll be posing to our guests in just a bit.
अहंकार में चूर व्यक्ति कितना भी शक्तिशाली क्यों न हो, अंततः नष्ट हो जाता है। कि एक आदिवासी राष्ट्रपति का गौर अपमान करने वाली टीएमसी की एक गंदी राजनीति और सत्ता का अहंकार बहुत ही जल्द चूर चूर होकर रहेगा।
Don't play politics. Don't play politics at the time of election as per BJP advice. You can criticize us. We will not.
All right, joining me on the broadcast is National Spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Sanju Verma. I'm being told that the TMC spokesperson will also be joining in just a bit. Sanju, all right, let me quickly bring in Riju Datta over there, who's also joining us. Thank you for joining in, Riju. Why would Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee call this and rather insult the president, which is holding the highest constitutional post in the country, as disregard? It's being seen as disregard for the constitution. She has accused the president of resorting to politics. Why accuse the president when it is your party that blatantly disregarded protocols?
First of all, let me say straight off the bat, we have not in any way insulted Madam President. We have the highest regard and respect and love for the President of this country. Now, the second point is, my party has never insulted anyone or neither has broken protocol. She was received by a minister in North Bengal, the district magistrate and the superintendent of police. The third point is, this was a private program, not a state government program, not a union government program. And the state government was not made party to it. Yesterday, Mamata Banerjee has issued 3 letters openly in public where she has given the conversation between the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the union government, where Rashtrapati Bhavan and the state government, where the state government has clearly said that the arrangements are not adequate and not fit for the post of the President of India, and we advise her not to come. She came. Well and fine, no problem. But when the president's chair is used to peddle BJP's nasty politics and their nasty agenda, that is where it hits the new low.
Sanju Verma is there. You can go ahead, attack her, but answer my questions. Did the Chief Minister go to receive her? Did the Director General of Police go to receive her? Did the secretary there, the Chief Secretary there, go to receive her?
Should I answer this, Garima? Do you want me to answer?
I'm losing Riju's audio. If my team can please advise me, why am I losing Riju's audio over there?
I'm here. I can hear you loud and clear.
All right, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, now I'm getting your audio. Please go ahead, answer.
Yes, see, the thing is, Mamata Banerjee, in Bengal, you have to understand the situation, Garima. In Bengal,
Akanksha.
we are in the, Akanksha, in Bengal, we are sitting in a place where we are in the middle of a war. We are fighting, the Bengalis are fighting for their basic identity. Our mother tongue is being called by BJP's IT cell, whoever this fellow is, as a Bangladeshi language. Bengali people born in India, Indian citizens, Bengalis are being termed as Bangladeshis and Rohingyas. And that is why the chief minister for the last 4 days is sitting on the streets with the people of Bengal, fighting for their rights against
Are you
this,
saying President Murmu is a BJP spokesperson?
Can I finish, please, Akanksha? Please let me finish. Just give me 30 more seconds. So in the middle of this fight, when the chief minister is here, Madam President has come, Pradhan Mantri Modi is coming on 14th of May. In between, Amit Shah is coming. Ashwini Vaishnav is already in Bengal. We do not have time for this protocol khela. Our priority is the people of Bengal, and I'm saying this on record.
Okay, first
Our
you
priority
said
is the
you
people
did
of
not disregard the protocol. Now you're saying you do not have time for protocol.
No. The protocol for the chief minister to go and
Thank you.
personally
Thank
receive the
you.
president,
Thank
is
you
not
for
the time.
setting the tone of this debate. Sanju Verma, you heard what he has to say. It seems like we have segregated the protocols here with utter disregard for the highest constitutional post in the country. Sanju Verma.
You know, Akanksha, first and foremost, I heard Riju for 4 minutes. I'm sure he will extend the courtesy of not interjecting me. He's made his comeback on television after quite a while. But unfortunately, he seems to be on the wrong side of the fence. Let me just say this. There are 3 books. One is the Blue Book Protocol, which basically elucidates protocol for the President, the Vice President, and the Prime Minister. Then there is the Yellow Book Protocol, which details the protocol about all other VIP dignitaries, including senior cabinet ministers. And then there is the White Book Protocol, which talks about the protocol-related nuances for foreign dignitaries when they are visiting India. Now, as per the Blue Book Protocol, whether it is a private function or a public function, did Mamata Banerjee flout and with brazen impunity violate the Blue Book Protocol? Yes. Was Mamata Banerjee there to receive or send off Honorable President Draupadi Murmu ji? No. Was the DGP and IGP of police, Mr. Piyush Pandey, there to receive the Honorable President? No. Was the Director of Security of West Bengal, Manoj Kumar Verma, there to receive or send off Draupadi Murmu ji? No. Was the IG of North Bengal, Sukesh Jain, there to receive or send off Honorable President Draupadi Murmu ji? No. So the first point I'm making is none of the senior officials who were supposed to receive or send off Draupadi Murmu ji were there at the airport in clear violation of the Blue Book Protocol norms. My second point is this. Mamata Banerjee found an excuse after 18 hours saying that it was a private event, public event to tha hi nahi. Whether private or public does not matter, protocol has to be followed. The third point is this. The initial venue was supposed to be Bidhan Nagar in Darjeeling district. With brazen and rank and scant disregard for Narendra Modi's government, which she has often done, which is still understandable, this time she actually overreached her brief. She had the audacity to defy protocol norms for the highest constitutional office of the country. The lady in question is Draupadi Murmu ji, who is also the Supreme Commander of India's Armed Forces under Article 53 of the Constitution.
All right.
Also said,
What?
1 minute. Akanksha, please. I heard it just, 30 seconds more. The limited point is simply this. Is Mamata Banerjee a habitual offender? 30 seconds, yes. In 2025, during the Murshidabad riots, Mamata Banerjee did not allow the former governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, to visit Murshidabad. And in 2018, Akanksha, do you remember who was the governor of West Bengal? A man called K.N. Tripathi. And the Asansol riots saw Hindus being slaughtered. K.N. Tripathi was blockaded. His convoy was prevented by TMC Gundas. K.N. Tripathi could not visit Asansol in 2018. What has changed between 2018 and 2026? Nothing. The only thing constant is Mamata Banerjee's arrogance, hubris, and her narrative. Democracy khatre mein hai.
Okay,
Loktantra
Riju
khatre mein hai.
Datta, it couldn't get more ironical than this, that we are having this debate on International Women's Day. A party that boasts of being a party for Mati Manus is having to answer questions which are questioning the party for such blatant disregard for that too the First Lady President of the country.
Thank you. I have heard Sanjuji patiently, and I have not even said a single word, but I was getting extremely bored. So let me make my point. We are having this debate.
The First Lady
on
Tribal
the-
President,
First Lady Tribal President. We are having this debate because the entire national media feels that the Honorable President, the First Tribal Lady President, has been insulted. That is the bottom line. Now, my question.
तो
to
ये
all your
बताओ यूनियन होम
अच्छा,
सेक्रेटरी ने
मैं थोड़ा
सवाल
बोलने दूं।
पूछे थे, रिजू, have you, and the deadline was 5 p.m. today. Has your party been able to give all of those responses in that report?
I am the spokesperson of All India Trinamool Congress. I am not the spokesperson for government of West Bengal.
No.
So that the
Has
government
the
will
report
be-
been submitted? Has the report been submitted at 5 p.m. today?
I cannot comment. I cannot comment on that.
You've
On a-
answered my
on a
question.
public.
You've answered
I cannot
my
comment.
question.
But can I make my point,
Yes,
please?
go ahead.
If you allow me.
Go ahead.
So when we are talking about the president's protocol not being followed or she was being disrespected, let me ask the national viewers of your channel. When the Honorable President was accompanied by the Honorable Prime Minister to confer the Bharat Ratna to Lal Krishna Advani ji, what Narendra Modi sitting and the Prime President standing, was that not disrespectful? Was the First Lady Tribal President invited for the inauguration of Ram Mandir? Was that not disrespectful? Was the First Lady Tribal President invited for the inauguration of the Temple of Democracy, the new Parliament Bhavan? No. Was that not disrespectful? Where Honorable Prime Minister President was standing and making those comments, those BJP-fed comments, that is the same place in Matigara Nakshalbari where 3,000 tribals have been struck off the voter list who are Indians. Any comments?
Okay.
When Dalits and
Okay, thank you for posing those questions.
30 seconds.
Quick.
When Dalits and Adivasis, and I have seen on your channel, CNN News 18, and you have done amazing work and you have shown that. When Dalit and Adivasis through the length and breadth of this country were peed on in BJP ruled state, slaughtered, manhandled, raped, lynched, where was Madam President commenting
All
on
right.
that? And last
Can I come in now,
just 10 more seconds.
Let him speak before we are also accused of giving more time.
Okay. 10 more seconds. Very important. Finally, when we are having this conversation on Women's Day, the anchor is a woman, the BJP spokesperson is a woman, and the topic is regarding a woman against the rape and the brutal gang rapes in this country. The West Bengal
Many
Legislative
of which
Assembly
have
passed law
happened
for
in
Ajita
Bengal.
Bill.
Are we forgetting Arjikar? Are we forgetting
Can I comment?
Arjikar, Riju Datta? Are we forgetting Arjikar? We've still not been able to get over Arjikar.
Akansha, will you
Akansha.
agree that
Okay,
Aparajita
I've
Bill
given
is
you
passed
ample
by
time.
the president?
Riju, you've posed some very relevant questions. Let the BJP spokesperson answer.
You know, Akansha, I don't want to be crying here about wanting more time, but Riju's spoken for 5 full minutes, and I need my time without being
My
interjected
goodness.
because we are having a sane debate. Riju, you did not interject me, I did not interject you. Riju said I was getting bored. You know, if Riju Datta gets bored, good luck to him. I'm not here to entertain the TMC or its Darbari ecosystem. If
Go
you're
ahead.
getting bored, you should not be on national TV.
Sanju, make your
The
point.
important point is this. Akansha, please. The important points are these. And Akanksha Swaroop, CNN's audience needs to listen to this. Arjikar rape happened. Mamta Banerjee's attitude was hua to hua. South Kolkata Law College rape, where a 22 resident doctor was raped by a Trinamool Congress worker. Mamta Banerjee's attitude was hua to hua. Durgapur rape college horror few months back. Mamta Banerjee said, hua to hua. Mamta Banerjee's Women and Child Development Minister Shashi Panja, after the Durgapur horror, said, "Abhi rape ho gaya, kisi ke kapde utar gaye, hua to hua," and Mamta Banerjee consumed Fevicol. So the first point is, has Mamta Banerjee and her dispensation, led by TMC vandals, ever respected common women? No. Yahan to Draupadi Murmu ji ki baat ho rahi hai. And the second point is this. I always say, look at the track record of somebody before isolating cases. and saying she is irresponsible or she is responsible. Do you remember in 2020, Akanksha, 3 weeks before, the central government had given an invitation to Mamata Banerjee to attend the centenary celebrations of Vishwa Bharati University at Shantiniketan to honor the legacy of Rabindranath Tagore. Mamata Banerjee had the audacity to say, "Mujhe to invitation mila hi nahi." In 2021, the Prime Minister was sitting on the stage just because some people raised slogans of Jai Shri Ram, and I see nothing wrong with that. Mamata Banerjee walked away in a huff, whereas the entire event was to bestow honors to the legacy of Netaji Bose. Then, let us not forget one more thing, Akanksha, that Mamata Banerjee, by humiliating Draupadi Murmu ji, has humiliated the almost 5 crore women of West Bengal, the almost 53 crore tribals of West Bengal, and the almost 24 lakh Santhalis of West Bengal. And my final point to Riju is this. Since he raised a very valid question about Dalits and Adivasis, I need Akanksha's audience to know this. There is a man called Shah Jahan Sheikh. Mamata Banerjee protected him for 58 days. The Supreme Court had to intervene and say, Shah Jahan Sheikh is accused of gang raping Dalit women in Sandesh Khali. Mamata Banerjee did not condemn Shah Jahan Sheikh even once. So Riju Datta, शर्म आती है या नहीं यहाँ बैठकर झूठ बोलना बंद करिए.
Riju, while you come back with that rebuttal, please tell me what is going to ensure the Bengali Asmita? Is it allegiance to the TMC? What gives Mahua Moitra the right to say that if you're not with the TMC, you're not a Bengali? What is going to decide the Bengali Asmita? Standing with the TMC.
Let Bengalis decide Bengali Asmita, first of all.
Exactly.
And
Who is Mahua
Bengalis
Moitra to
and
dictate
Bengali-
terms? Who is
and
Mahua
Bengali-
Moitra to dictate terms?
Akanksha,
What
Akanksha,
Bengalis choose in terms of their political choice?
The problem with national debates is that the Trinamool does not get a chance to rebut the BJP and the anchor goes on to a different narrative.
No, I'm
If
giving you
may
the
allow me-
chance, but
if you may
there's
allow
so
me-
much to talk about. Do
I
not
know,
ignore the
then you should
question.
have- then-
Who
then-
decides?
then I would.
Who's
then
a Bengali?
Akanksha,
Are you going to
then
decide that?
Akanksha-
Is Mahua going to
Akanksha-
decide that? Is
Akanksha-
Chief Minister
Akanksha-
Banerjee going to decide that?
Madam, if your rant is over, if there is so much to discuss, you could have made it into a 1-hour debate instead of a 25 minutes debate. So anyways, now let me go into what Sanjuji said. Sanjuji just drifted off the topic of President Murmu and she went on
did
her
you.
favorite subject,
So did
of ranting against Mamata Banerjee, who is the worst nightmare of her boss Narendra Modi. I understand that. That is fine by me.
You know, we are running short of time. Riju, quickly make your point.
But when Sanjuji talks about Mamata Banerjee,
Sanju, let him make it.
Nari Asmita, Sanjuji should also
Sanju,
talk
allow
about
him to
when
make-
Sanjuji also should talk about
All right,
Narendra Modi
Sanju.
mentioned in the Epstein files. Narendra Modi mentioned in the Epstein files. Hardeep Puri mentioned in the Epstein files. We are talking about
All right,
pedophiles here.
Sanju.
And their spokespersons lecturing us on women's security is a joke.
No, but all the questions that have been posed are only referring to what's been happening in the last 2 years. Riju, answer those questions. Who harbors criminals within the party who are raping women? Okay. Sanju, let's give him time. Please, let's give him time.
Thank you. Now, first thing, I will go stay one by one. Akanksha, you are a woman, Sanjuji is a woman. The West Bengal Assembly passed a bill called the Aparajita Bill, which says direct Phansi for gang rape, perpetrators of gang rape. Why is this bill not passed by the first lady tribal president of India? Why the bill is suppressed by the BJP government? It is for the protection of women all over this country, irrespective of your political affiliation, caste, creed, or color. That gives protection to Akanksha Swarup, Sanju Verma.
Okay. You've raised your question. Now let her come back with a rebuttal. Okay.
मुझे आप बात ही नहीं करने दोगे तो कैसे होगा डिबेट?
आपने बोला ना, आपने बिल की बात की, अभी let her answer. हाँ, Riju, you made your point.
Thank you. You know, Akanksha, I just want to say one thing. Mamata Banerjee 3 months back said, আমার সাথে খেলতে গেলে আমি যে খেলাটা খেলবো তুমি আমাকে ধরতে পারবে না. Basically she was saying that the kind of khela I will play, nobody from BJP will be able to catch me. Wait and see the khela I will do. disrespecting the highest constitutional authority. Is this part of your khela, Mamata Banerjee? And Riju is very erudite. But I want to tell him one thing. All Bengali speaking people के ठेकेदार टीएमसी नहीं है. All Bengali
वैसे ही और हिंदू का ठेकेदार बीजेपी नहीं है.
ममता बनर्जी नहीं है.
हिंदू के भी ठेकेदार बीजेपी नहीं है. कोई किसी का ठेकेदार नहीं है.
महुआ मोइत्रा नहीं है. Wait, Riju. And Akanksha, I want to ask you one thing. Since when have people started equating Rohingyas, infiltrators, Bangladeshi घुसपैठियाज as Bengalis? Bangladeshi का मतलब बंगाली नहीं. घुसपैठिया का मतलब बंगाली नहीं.
ये पहले अमित मालविया को समझाइए.
बंगाली नहीं. You are not the ठेकेदार बंगाली.
Okay.
शांत हो जाओ.
Okay.
Akanksha,
Sanju, now let him come in. But Riju, let's come back to the debate today. We are talking about President Murmu's visit. Why didn't the local administration ensure that there's water in the washroom over there? Moreover, the route that was selected was laden with garbage. How do you respond to that? Do you acknowledge that there's been not just a blatant disregard for protocol, but complete lack of awareness with regards to what the administrative responsibilities are when such an event is taking place?
Akanksha, before answering your very pertinent question, let me ask two questions to my very dear and I respect personally. I respect
You
Sanjeev,
can't pose a question with a question. आप जवाब दीजिए. आप सवाल मत खड़ा करिए सवाल पे.
मैडम थोड़ा सा सबर कर लीजिए. मैं आपका जवाब भी दूंगा. थोड़ा संजू जी से मुखातिब बोलूं. संजू जी, just one question I will ask you. One question. As a woman, do you still believe Hardeep Puri should be in the cabinet? Yes or no? After
How
all the
did
allegations.
Hardeep Puri come into this picture?
Oh, no.
I
बहुत
don't
महिला
understand
सुरक्षा की
that.
बात हो रही है ना. तो
This
जिसका
is
नाम
becoming
Epstein file
comedy
में
right
होगा,
now,
वो
Riju.
देश का
Where did
cabinet
Hardeep Puri come into the picture?
No.
Let me
When
ask
we
Thank
talk
you
about
for
women's
bringing
equality,
comic relief to this debate.
No. If a guy,
No, please
Akanksha, if
ask me a
a
question,
man
let me
is in
answer.
the union cabinet,
I'm coming to you, Sanju. Hold your horses.
Now, Akanksha, we are talking about women's security on Women's Day, women respect, and a man is the union cabinet minister has been mentioned in the Epstein file.
Arey,
Is it not a pertinent question?
What
to
are you
ask
talking
Sanju
about
Verma?
right now? Okay.
Okay,
Sanju, please,
Then
I have to
I
wrap up this
appreciate
debate.
Sanju ji.
Quick closing
I
thoughts
appreciate-
to
I
Sanju
appreciate-
Verma. There are also fingers being raised by the Bengal Chief Minister saying that C.V. Ananda Bose has tendered in his resignation because he was pressurized by the Union Home Minister. So here's a more pertinent question for you instead of Epstein files and Hardeep Puri. Sanju Verma.
You know, Akanksha, you asked me a lengthy question. You said it's time to wrap up the debate. So please give me time. And Riju, I
Okay.
did not heckle you.
Yes.
काश मैं प्रधानमंत्री होती, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will take a decision about Hardeep Puri, point number 1. But Riju,
Was he
Datta,
dancing in
before
Israel?
raising
Riju,
fingers-
we allowed you
Please,
time.
Riju, please shut up. I did not heckle you.
Huh.
Before raising fingers at Hardeep Puri, I want to ask Riju Datta one thing and tell me this. We gave 5,000 crores to Mamata Banerjee to set up at least 300 POXO courts. She set up only 2 POXO courts. Should Mamata Banerjee resign?
Absolute lie.
After case was hua to hua. Should Mamata Banerjee
Absolute
resign for
lie.
disrespecting
Absolute
the
lie on
first
national
lady
television.
president?
BJP is
Yes or
lying on
no?
national television.
First, Mamata
Absolute lie.
Banerjee should resign or not? Iska jawab do. She
BJP is
disrespected
lying
first
on national
Indian
television.
woman president. She made mockery of the
BJP
Durga
is
rape
lying on
victim.
national
She
television.
made mockery of the Sandesh
BJP
Khali
owes
rape victim.
Bengal, the union
Mamata
government owes
Banerjee
Bengal
कब
2
इस्तीफा
lakh
देंगी? पर अब
कोई
तो
पैसा
कोई
नहीं
बात
है,
नहीं.
झूठ
ममता
बोल रही है
बनर्जी को
BJP.
जनता धक्के मार
never
के
expected
निकालेगी.
BJP will lie
ममता
on CNN
बनर्जी
News
को
18.
जनता धक्के मार के निकालेगी.
Shameless
रिजू
lying
दत्ता
on
जी,
national TV.
Mamata
Shameless.
Banerjee refused to set up POXO
Ask,
courts. It
plus,
cannot get
first
even
ask your
worse than
leaders to
that.
stop dancing in Israel.
Did Mamata
Ask your leader
Banerjee
to stop
sack
dancing in
Shashi
Israel first.
Panja? Did Mamata Banerjee sack Shashi Panja for saying, अभी रेप हुआ तो हो गया, कपड़े
But
उतर
what
गए
happened
तो
to
उतर
Brijbhushan
गए.
Saran Singh?
Shashi
Why was the
Bhushan-
Prime Minister dancing on Asaram Bapu stage?
Shashi
You want
Panja-
to
Riju
talk
Datta,
about that
the
day?
questions
Shashi
asked,
Panja के बारे में
the
बात करो.
questions
ममता
are
बनर्जी
surrounding
इस्तीफा,
Bengal.
उसके बारे में बात करो.
Respond to all these questions that are related to your state. Don't jump on to Israel. Don't jump on to Epstein files right now because
You
this is
are
a
not
question
even a
about
national
Bengal.
party,
Riju
You
Datta,
are not even a national party.
why was
Your
Shashi
national
Panja
party
sacked?
status was
How
taken
many
away
POXO
in
courts?
2023.
How many POXO courts have in fact been set up by Mamata Banerjee? Banerjee herself.
Akanksha, let me give you the
She
answer
said
with
that
the
she
RG Court case.
Now,
with the-
Sanju,
with the-
he
with the-
wants to respond. Let
She
him
was
respond.
supposed to
I-
send
Sanju,
yes, you're right,
Sanju,
Akanksha.
Sanju,
She
2
wanted-
pointed questions. Let him answer, please.
Riju,
Just
please have
two.
some shame.
Akanksha, you are
Riju,
right.
थोड़ी
I
शर्म
I
करो।
should not talk about Epstein
थोड़ी
files because
शर्म करो, रिजू
उसमें
दत्ता।
उसमें बहुत लोगों को मिर्ची लग जाती है, खलबली मच जाता है. So I will not talk about
Poxo
it. When
courts,
you're talking
Shashi
about
Panja.
Poxo courts and Shashi Panja, let me give you the example which was quoted by you and Sanjuji on this very debate, the RG Court case. The RG Court case happened, an insane, inhuman case that happened in Bengal. Within 24 hours, the primary accused was arrested by Kolkata police. Then we saw the political flashpoints, whatever happened over a period of 3-4 months. Then
He
CBI
was
took over
arrested
after 4 days. And
one
after, can I
week
finish, Akanksha? What is
because
this?
of
Yeah?
media
Can I finish?
coverage. He was
Can I finish?
arrested
Sanju,
one
I let
week
him.
after
I let
media
him have
coverage.
opening
Do
thoughts.
not
I will
lie.
give you closing thoughts.
Do not
Okay.
lie,
Thank
Riju.
you. Thank you.
Sanjay
Sanjuji,
Ghosh
have a glass of
was
water. Let me
arrested
finish, then you
immediately.
can say again. So now, in the RG Court case, after 4 days, the Honorable Calcutta High Court gave the case to CBI. CBI is not under Mamata Banerjee. It is under Amit Shah. Now, CBI, after 52 days, a 7,000-sheet charge sheet and multiple witnesses, who did the CBI accuse? The person who was caught within 24 hours by Calcutta police.
Riju Datta, you're
Other
forgetting
rape
the
cases.
need for a CBI intervention. That's what you are forgetting right now. And it is the lack of acknowledgement. You know, those sitting in glass houses do not pelt stones at others. So let's quickly wrap this debate. And Sanju Verma, quick closing thoughts. I'll let Riju have the opening thoughts. Closing thoughts.
You know,
Closing
हिंदी में
thoughts.
कहावत है,
BJP.
Riju,
उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को
please,
डांटे।
I will not have you speak over the other
Akanksha,
panelists.
I will not sit on your debate. I will walk out because you are unable to moderate.
No, it's
You are
not the
simply
case.
a
I'm
giant
giving you
heckling.
closing thoughts. Yes, please.
No, so please don't heckle me and please moderate the debate. That is not my job. रिजू दत्ता, हिंदी में कहावत है, उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे। हिंदी में ये भी कहावत है, चोरी ऊपर से सीना जोरी. And let me tell you who was the commissioner of Kolkata police during the Arjikar rape case. It was a man called Vineet Goyal. And Vineet Goyal should have been sacked. Vineet Goyal was made the IG Law and Order of SIT by Mamata Banerjee. She promoted him despite the fact that Vineet Goyal named the Arjikar rape victim's name, which is a crime. And Menaka Guruswamy fought for Vineet Goyal, and she has been given a Rajya Sabha nomination by the TMC. So you scratch my back, I will scratch yours. That is what Mamata Banerjee did. You should be ashamed. Arjikar rape case victim's name was given out by the commissioner of Kolkata police. And instead of sacking him, Mamata Banerjee promoted him. And my final point is this. Who was the principal of Arjikar Medical College, pardon me? There's a man called Sandeep Ghosh. Do you know something, Akanksha? Sandeep Ghosh was made the principal of Kolkata Medical College. It is only after the matter went to Kolkata High Court castigated Mamata Banerjee, saying, how can you promote Sandeep Ghosh as the principal of Kolkata Medical College? This man does not deserve to be in job. Then Mamata Banerjee ne, under media pressure, under the pressure of Kolkata High Court, she removed Sandeep Ghosh. So Mamata Banerjee promotes people who defy the law. Mamata Banerjee gives Rajya Sabha tickets to
And
people
Bhishbhushan
like
Saran Singh
Menaka
sits behind
Guruswamy
Narendra Modi
who
in the
fight for
parliament.
rights of women.
I think it's amply
So please
evident
keep quiet.
a state needs to look after the women in their state. Only then can we perhaps expect them to have some kind of regard for the highest constitutional post, that is of the president. Many thanks to you, Sanju Verma and Riju Datta, for joining in on this discussion. With that, it's time for the other story that we'll pursue this hour, which is with regards to the energy crisis that is staring at the globe this hour.